All right, today on the Broken Clock, we are going to be replacing the op rod in a Woodford 19 hose bib. I broke one off and I am pulling the op rod from one side of the house to put it in the one on the other side of the house until I can get down to the plumbing supply place. So this is going to be the good one that I remove. It's pretty easy. Make sure you don't lose the screw. And then one of the keys is these lock in here. So you have to screw this back on, or if you got one that's damaged, you can grab it with pliers or whatever and rotate it counterclockwise until it comes out. Come on. One of the best ways to do this is with screwing the handle back onto it. If I can manage to get the handle to go back on. Then you turn it right there. It popped out. There you go. And if you want to, I kind of just keep turning it and it'll pull the gasket, the metal plug, everything out. And then this one, I actually already took it out once, but was full of leaves. I don't know if when they stuffed this in here, they just filled it full of leaves or what happened, but yeah. And then reassembly is the same. Just gonna take it, push it into here, gonna twist it. If you can't get this guy on, then that is telling you that you haven't got this locked in all the way. So you'll screw this in till it stops. Unscrew the handle. And this will push that O-ring back. If it's not pushed back all the way, you can gently. Like I said, my plan was to take this out and put it in my other one that I broke. But the other one, I can't get the op rod to slide out. So I may have to replace the whole thing, which is no bueno. Oh, shoot. No. Why that's not coming out. There you go. Oh, make sure you turn your water off before you do this. All right, that's back in business.